Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you modern TV cabinets and wall units design idea for living room. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day. Finding the right wall unit and TV cabinet for your living room is not easy work. Even if you narrow it down to a single style that you like, you are still left with a bunch of options to choose from. Modern wall units give people lot of headache. There are so many different designs to choose from. Finding the right one for your home seems nearly impossible, but that, of course, is just something you have to go through. And to help you make a decision, I have gathered top 100 plus design for you to take a look at. They are all beautiful and unique designs, so get your priorities straight and pick your favorite one. Modern wall units are known for their extreme simplicity as well as their geometric designs and structures. You can have a small unit that offers you all the necessary functions such as open storage shelves, closed compartments, a platform for the TV, and lot of room for electronics and decorations. Most modern wall units have design that can comfortably accommodate the TV without looking out of a place. In fact, their design is carefully planned out of the goal is to look harmonious, something even symmetrical in same way. The TV is often attached to a back panel that matches the rest of the unit and which connects the shelves and cabinet position on the sides. It's important for a wall unit to offer enough storage and to also include all the basic elements, which usually include space for a TV and other electronics often found in the living room. Usually, a combination of open and closed storage spaces is preferred, and these can be combined in a lot of different ways. In order for a design to look pleasant, it has to be harmonious and to provide a comfortable balance of color, shapes, texture, and types of storage. Even when the TV is not the center, this balance can still be achieved. It's also possible to trick the eye and to draw attention to a specific section of the wall unit in order to get the desired look and ambience. Soft curves and minimalist lines define a lot of modern and contemporary furniture pieces. Wall units are no exceptions. Designs such as this one add a beautiful touch to the living room decor. At the same time, the beautiful form create a smooth and beautiful look. The color and the lighting play a very important role as well. Consider displaying white shelves and unit on a dark brown wall for a sophisticated and elegant look. If your living room is done up in the modern style, make sure your TV cabinets reflect the same aesthetics. The modern look characterized by balance and ornate design for simplicity. A look that is warm and inviting. To carry forward the design in your TV cabinets, choose earthier elements such as wood, natural wood, and warmer metals. For the color palette, select warm neutral to create an inviting and cozy feeling. The lines of cabinets need to be elegant and fuss free, making for an inviting space. This is uncluttered and calm. Keep the curves unnoticeable only by their absence and go for a strong horizontal and vertical lines to create a modern look. If you love all things minimum with a touch of elegance, go the contemporary route and opt for a TV cabinet designs. Keeping with that style, pair natural materials such as wood and glass with industrial elements such as steel. Pick a TV cabinet that has a strong lines. The shape of it can more curvy and organic if you so desire. Ornate and heavy are out for the latest here and now. Feel opt for something light and simple. The contemporary color palette is black, white, grey with a mix of neutrals, so make sure the color of your TV cabinets reflect the same. The end result should be such that you have an elegant and sophisticated TV cabinet to keep up with the today's time. Wood will never go out of style, and the warm, rich hues of wood is just what a TV cabinet in more traditional or rustic home needs. Take your pick of wood when deciding on the TV cabinet for your living room. Wood is one of the most popular and common choice of material when it comes to TV cabinets, and you will have a wide array of style, finishes, textures and color of wood to choose from. The material is endless, versatile and you can keep it simple or minimalist luxurious as your heart desires. Whether you have decided to mount your TV on a wall or have it sit on a stand, a TV console is the perfect way to enrich your entertainment experience. Plus, by providing ample storage for your media essential and solution to stash away unslightly clutter, the right entertainment unit can also give your decor an extra space of cleanliness and style. From units with a remote controlled modern fireplaces that make catching up on your favorite TV shows extra cozy to sleek floating TV stand that keep your floor clean and your media organized. You can choose to add traditional touch to your modern living room furniture by options for a model with a subtle trim such as this one. Emphasize this modern nature by choosing a simple color that stand out either because of its simplicity or just bold charm. For a timeless look, use a combination of black and white. Modern interiors sometimes include industrial details. You can highlight this combination of styles with a media console that has a shiny metallic finish. You could display it in front of an exposed concrete wall, or you could tone down its cold look with a wooden floor panel or shelves. Color and form plays a crucial role in a lot of modern and contemporary furniture designs. Take this unit for example. It has a rather simple structure. The front, however, it what makes it stand out. Featuring a series of panel different shapes and colors. Some stand out because of the color white. Others also use pattern and texture to their advantages. Gray and brown is considered a modern color. It's often used in combination with wood tones and the result is balanced design. This combination or other similar ones can make a modern wall unit looks elegant, classic and simple at the same time. Glass was also used in this case to offer the unit a lightweight and sleek look. The TV cupboards as a part of the storage system. You can beautifully fit the TV into the interior by including it in the storage system. A TV can become part of rack or enclosed units if bulky cabinets and cabinets are not your options. Use wall mounted and floor mounted cabinets. Even an ordinary console and several hinged shelves are already a beautiful options. I hope this video will help you to choose the best TV unit design ideas for your living room. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos, and thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.